Hey guys, I am back to do a quick eye look on my new palette that I just got from Lime Crime. As you can tell, if you're a Lime Crime fan, they're super cute packaging. I got the Venice 3 palette. I actually got this about 3 weeks ago, but I'm barely doing a video now. Here's all 3 palettes in comparison. And I'm just going to go ahead and start off with my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer and then just kind of set that with whatever's left over on my sponge. And I'm going to go ahead and take this shade here in Bliss and use that as my transition color. And just blending that out. And then I actually packed the color on a little more a few times. And then next I'm taking Ecstasy. And putting that on the outer crease and on the outer V of my crease as well. And just blending that out as well. And then again, I packed the color on a little more. I wasn't sure of how pigmented they were, so I just started off really lightly and just built it up. Pretty good pigmentation. They're pretty similar to their other palettes. And just blending that out again, I went in again with a little bit more of that Bliss shade. And just kind of blending it upwards. And now I'm taking my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. And then, yeah, I know I'm moving my eyes around like crazy, but that's so that I can get the full effect for the crease. I know a lot of times if you move your eyes around during the day, and if your crease is too low, your eyeshadow will go everywhere. So this trick definitely helps. And just spreading that around. I apologize for the lighting. I wasn't really aware of that until after I made the video. And also my dirty mirror. I apologize for that as well. Yeah, and I'm just gonna wing that out here a little bit. And now I am just using a small blending brush, and I went back in with Ecstasy and added some more definition right on the outer crease. And now I am taking Heavenly. It's like a goldish, pinkish shade. I was having a really hard time getting that color on, so I was packing it on as much as I could. Not sure if it was because of the concealer, but it wasn't really picking up its true color. So I went ahead and took my setting spray from Gerard Cosmetics, sprayed my brush, and it helped a little. And I'm just going to swatch that on my arm just so you can see what it looks like. It's very light. Like I said, you can see the shimmers, like little gold specks in there. It's pretty cute. And I'm just using my Kat Von D tattoo eyeliner. And just trying to make my wing here. Fill that in quickly. I'm going to go into this purple shade Paradise and using that on my lower lash line, blending that out. I know I look crazy when I'm doing it. And then I took some of that Beam shade and I actually ended up putting some on my crease. I was going to put it on my corners of my lower lash line, but I liked it on top of my crease as well. It just added a little more bam. And now I am taking the lightest shade in there, Rapture, and use that as my inner corners. And here's my finished look. I know I'm looking a little crazy with that purple underneath, but yeah, the palette is great. I mean, really similar as far as pigmentation and formula as the other palettes. But thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys like, subscribe, share my video, and I hope to see all of you in my next one.